We're now going to talk about polynomial inequalities. And first we're going to talk about the graphical interpretation of any inequalities. So let's say f of x and g of x are two functions. Then if you want to find where they're equal, those would be the x coordinates where they intersect. Okay? If you want to find where f of x is less than g of x, those would be the x coordinates where the graph of x, f of x is less than the graph of g of x. Okay, and normally we'll write this in interval notation. These will normally just be like x values, a few numbers. And to find out where f of x is greater than g of x, you want the x coordinates where the graph of f of x is above the graph of g of x. Okay, and again, this will be an interval notation. So we're going to look at a graph here. And the graph isn't, so this is going to be g of x in blue. Oops. And we'll make f of x in green here. And these aren't really polynomials, but that's okay because we're really just talking about any functions. So if we want to solve where is f of x equal to g of x, remember we're looking for the x coordinates of the intersection. So we could say something like x equals negative 2.5, so that would be for this one, just estimating, and x equals 3. Now, that's really going to help us for the rest here. So if we want to know where is f of x less than g of x, well, we're saying where is the green line less than the blue line, and it's going to be between these two dotted lines, right? That's where f of x is, the green part is blue, below the blue part. And since it's just less than, we'll use parentheses in our interval notation. This would be between negative 2.5 and 3. Now, talking about where f of x is greater than or equal to g of x, well, we're saying where is f of x, the green line, above the blue line? Well, assuming these go on in both directions, we would go from negative infinity up to their intersection point, negative 2.5, and since it's greater than or equal to, we'll use a bracket, and then also from 3 on to infinity. So that's how you can use the graph to talk about inequalities.